I named this video Hummingbird Iridescence because of the way that in the sun that hummingbird, it almost looks like it has iridescent scales. It only happens when it's in the sun that it just glows. Okay, clouds. It has to be at just the right angle. There it is again. Also a really good example of how their wings rotate. They don't flutter like a bird. They rotate. And if you like this video, please like it and also subscribe. Subscribe on that round icon. It says Steve's Nature Lake. Thanks for watching.